Welcome to our guide on easy to care for indoor plants. For many of us, a connection to the natural world is something primal, deeply embedded in our very being. Yet we find ourselves increasingly distanced from nature's embrace, residing in concrete jungles rather than verdant forests. But fear not, for today we embark on a journey to bring a touch of the wild into our homes. Today we'll explore 13 plants, each a hardy species, thriving not in the dense rainforests but within the confines of our living spaces. These botanical wonders, perfect for beginners and seasoned plant enthusiasts alike, require minimal attention, adding a splash of green to your home without demanding constant care. First, we encounter the Sansevieria, more affectionately known as the snake plant. This resilient species, much like a desert nomad, thrives in arid conditions. Its upright leaves, sharp and striking, stand as a testament to its hardiness, a symbol of its ability to withstand even the most forgetful gardener. Next, we meet the spider plant, a master of propagation, sending forth its young on delicate, arching stems. These offshoots, miniature replicas of their parent, can be easily coaxed to root, creating a verdant cascade of life. The ZZ plant, a study in resilience, seems almost sculpted from wax, its deep green leaves gleaming with an otherworldly sheen. This botanical marvel thrives on neglect, its robust root system storing water for lean times, making it the perfect companion for even the most absent-minded plant parent. The pothos, a climber by nature, will happily trail its vibrant foliage down a shelf or climb with determination up a moss pole. But its beauty is more than just aesthetic. This plant acts as a natural air filter, cleansing our homes of toxins, making the air we breathe just a little bit sweeter. The peace lily, with its dark green leaves and elegant white blooms, brings a touch of serenity to any room it graces. Like a silent guardian, it filters the air, while its blooms, resembling flags of peace, remind us of the tranquility that nature offers. Aloe vera, a succulent with a long history of medicinal use, is a true survivor. Its fleshy leaves, filled with a soothing gel, have been used for centuries to treat burns and skin irritations. The rubber plant, with its large, glossy leaves, evokes the lushness of a tropical rainforest. This impressive specimen, capable of reaching towering heights, adds a touch of grandeur to any indoor space, its very presence a reminder of the power of nature. Dracaenas, with their striking upright forms and often variegated foliage, are reminiscent of living sculptures. These architectural marvels, available in a variety of shapes and sizes, add a touch of drama and sophistication to any room. Philodendrons, with their heart-shaped leaves and cascading growth habit, bring a touch of the tropics to our homes. These easygoing climbers, content in a variety of light conditions, will happily trail from a shelf or climb a moss pole, their lush foliage creating a verdant waterfall of green. The cast iron plant, aptly named for its resilience, can withstand even the most challenging conditions. Low light, infrequent watering, fluctuations in temperature. This plant takes it all in stride, making it the perfect choice for even the most novice gardener. The Chinese evergreen, with its striking foliage often splashed with shades of silver and pink, is a true testament to nature's artistry. This adaptable plant thrives in low-light conditions, brightening even the darkest corners of our homes with its vibrant presence. The jade plant, with its fleshy, coin-shaped leaves, is often associated with prosperity and good fortune. This succulent, a symbol of resilience and longevity, requires minimal watering, storing moisture in its plump leaves, making it a low-maintenance addition to any home. The Boston fern, with its delicate fronds unfurling like emerald feathers, brings a touch of Victorian elegance to our homes. This plant, a natural humidifier, thrives in humidity, making it the perfect choice for a bathroom or kitchen. As we conclude our journey through this verdant world of easy care indoor plants, we are reminded of the enduring power of nature, its ability to thrive even in the most unexpected places. We hope you found the perfect plant to add some greenery to your home, a touch of the wild to brighten your day and connect you to the natural world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips and plant care guides. Until next time, may your homes be filled with the joy and serenity that only plants can bring.